In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why I'm buying Altria, ticker symbol MO, as the rotation from growth to value begins and as the market melts higher. I want to protect myself from possible volatility that may ensue. So I earn over $100,000 per year in dividends at this channel, and my performance value shows that I'm up over 44%, almost 45% for the year. The Dow's up 6, the S&P's up 18, the Nasdaq's up 35%. If you need help understanding how I get this performance, email me for my e-guides at akintob48@gmail.com. I use a combination of margin and dividend investing through the indexes to live financially free out of my brokerage account. When you buy my e-guides on things such as Cornerstone right here, this 21% dividend fund that's a 5-star fund, and I explain why it's a 5-star fund in basically every one of my videos. When you buy my e-guides on how to play Cornerstone properly or on how to use margin to live financially free out of your brokerage account, you also get access to my Discord server where I alert you of the rights offering in Cornerstone. So here's the Discord server here, and this is the Cornerstone rights offering page, for example. We're over 100 members strong in this chat room. And we have other channels here too. I track my daily trades. I do a recap of my daily trades. Here, there's daily portfolio recap. We have, the drip for Cornerstone, who does that, the all things margin related, Bitcoin, life hacks, yield max funds, protecting your portfolio, day trading strategies, which is also another awesome channel that I've been getting into on Discord. There's some great minds at my channel who have some great day trading strategies. So all these channels within Discord offer immense value, in my opinion. There are a wealth of information on, especially at different brokerages, they can tell you who has the best margin rates, who does the drip for Cornerstone, because Cornerstone is, after all, my biggest investment. It's $500,000. Okay, so I can't go and make a video without mentioning Cornerstone. Okay, because no matter how tired of it some people may be, it's a 5-star fund, and I have almost 500 grand in it. And I take the dividend here, the $8 market price here, and I drip it. It drips down at the 6s every month. 663, 652, 642. So that's an automatic 23% gain, 25% gain, 30% gain there at 627. So Cornerstone is the key to all of my success because it is the indexes, but I'm trying to diversify into consumer staples today to get a little bit of extra, I guess you could say, security and extra yield, of course, out of my account, because Mo has obviously an almost 10% dividend. So again, if you need help understanding anything that I'm doing, email me for my e-guides at akintob48@gmail.com. And you'll have my phone number when you buy my e-guides as well to call me anytime at, so I can walk you through your portfolio and set it up for you. And you have my Discord community where we're all sharing our ideas and putting valuable information out there for all to see. So that's, what you get when you buy my e-guides. And people who are emailing me for the e-guides who don't like the bundle price of $200, because I've been getting a lot of requests lately, but most of my clients here on Discord have spent a lot of money, I feel, and it's not fair to be negotiating down on pricing. And actually, I'm going to be raising pricing to $300 per bundle soon, maybe within the next month or two, because I just can't be fielding all these questions with emails, and especially wondering why you guys wouldn't buy these e-guides. They're $100 per guide and $200 for the whole bundle, which gives you all 4 volumes. Volume 1 is fundamental analysis, volume 2 technical analysis, volume 3 how to use margin to live financially free out of your brokerage account, and volume 4 is how to play Cornerstone. So and then you get my phone number, and then you get the Discord alert service, which tells you when the Cornerstone rights offering happens, because that's the key to playing Cornerstone, is you have to time it around the rights offerings. So sorry for going long a bit here on the intro, trying to explain things about my Discord community, but I'm just kind of getting weary of all the emails of people inquiring about guides who don't want to purchase. And I'm wondering, can you find another channel that has better performance than this? Can you find any channel that has 45% performance with earning $100,000 in dividends? Okay, obviously there are people with bigger accounts and things like that, but who is getting the best of both worlds, that's qualifying to banks for loans like I am? Because the banks that that I know of, they don't take day trading for loans. They only take pay stubs or dividends. And that's how you truly live financially free out of your brokerage account. My $200,000 in debt is nothing. This $200,000 will be paid back in less than 2 years with my dividends that I earn. And it's only a fraction of the purchasing power that each brokerage gives you. For every $1 you put in your account, you get 4. So I'm just using a fraction and trying to get ahead and live financially free out of my brokerage account. And you all can do it too. So that's what my e-guides are for. They're there to answer all of your unlimited questions that I seem to get about this subject, and I don't have time to answer that, so I just send you to the e-guides. And if you don't like the e-guide pricing, I just can't understand that, but the bundles that are $200 are going to go up to $300 in a month or two, and it'll help eliminate a lot of the questions that I get, a lot of the requests, because I'm not doing this for the money. I'm doing this for my portfolio here at E-Trade. I want to protect this $100,000, okay, at all costs. I don't care about anything else. YouTube money, you should go look at the views and the money you get from YouTube. It's nothing, okay? I'm not trying to make money off of capital gains or sales from e-guides. I'm trying to get monthly dividends and grow those monthly dividends to a number that's, quite frankly, unheard of for most people. I want to get this up from 10K a month to 20K a month, and so on and so forth. Why stop there? And I have everyone at Discord behind me, so we can take this all the way to the max. As long as we just keep doing this safely and keep coaching each other and keeping each other in line with, watching out for maintenance, for example, or watching out for who has the who's raising the rates on their brokerage accounts, or maybe who's doing away with the drip and we need to switch fast to another brokerage account. So if I have my Discord community behind me, I feel like nothing can stop me. Also, I recruited a lot of people from Seeking Alpha who are going to alert of the rights offering there anyway on Discord. It won't just be me alerting of the rights offering announcement, I'm sure. So I'll just get into the 5 reasons really fast to buy Altria. Okay, look, I added to it today. I was down in my position, my cost position. I keep my stocks here at about 1,500 now. I've moved up my weightings in stocks. So Altria had about 700 in. So I've added another 700 just to get it up to 1,500. Why? Look at what Altria is doing on its chart. Okay, the first reason I'm buying Altria, obviously for the 9% yield. Okay, the second reason why I'm buying Altria is for the chart. Okay, it looks pretty good on its chart. Okay, it's an 8.27 yield. Okay, I'm buying it for the high yield there. I can't find a consumer staples play that's higher than that. Okay, look at the chart. It's breaking out above its moving averages. All the moving averages are converging. It's getting above the orange line, the 200-day moving average. Okay, so I think that's bullish. It's cheap on a longer term time frame. It was near 60. I don't care about what Altria does. I'm not doing this for tobacco. I do not support tobacco. I'm simply doing this to get consumer staples exposure, which these are in the S&P. And so if I'm just matching the S&P, then I'm getting my performance. And so that's the second reason I'm buying Altria is for the chart. It looks good on its chart. It's cheap, and it's coiling above all the moving averages. So 8% yield, bullish on the chart. It's consumer staple, so it fulfills the need of diversification in our portfolio, because my portfolio is all about diversification to stay away from margin calls. When this number gets to 0, I'm in a margin call. Regardless, if the market does fall, I want defense with consumer staples, and they give me the proper diversification needed. In 2022, when the market was falling, consumer staples did very well. So it adds that component to my portfolio for diversification. Okay, that's number 3. Number 4, okay, as I explained to you, we're rotating from growth to value, so it is defensive. Okay, it's going to shield you from the volatility versus these tech names that are going to fall harder in a market correction. And number 5, last but not least, it's low maintenance. Okay, Altria Mo has 30% maintenance. If we go to the margin tab here, you'll see it's only 30%. If you need help understanding maintenance, that's in my margin e-guides, okay? So here we have Mo down here, M-O, okay, 30%. Okay, so that means that for every 1,000 I put in a Mo, only $300 of my equity is taken up. This $200, I don't care about 477. That's just ego. This number here, 206,000, is what I care about. That's how I withdraw out of my account money to live financially free, travel the world, buy food, buy clothes, whatever I want out of this number, even though I'm in margin debt. Okay, and so buying 1,000 of Altria only takes up 300 of this number. Okay, Carbon Zero, the guy who just made this post right here on Discord, that's one of the guys I was telling you is someone to watch out for in the trading section on Discord. He has a lot of great ideas. So, and I'm sorry if you hear this tinge of annoyance in my voice today. It's I didn't get a lot of sleep, and I've been fielding a lot of emails lately, and I'm just wondering why there isn't as much follow through lately. There's been a lot of follow through before this. Look at how the Discord community is flourishing. But look at the performance that I have. Look at the results that I have. Okay, how could you? Where is a better strategy? Please tell me, and I would like to know so I could make more money. Please, I'm not trying to be cocky or arrogant. I just would like to make money too. And if someone else was selling e-guides on his method to do it, please, I would pay $500 or $1,000 for my e-guides. I think they're honestly worth $1,000. I think that's still cheap, considering what they can do for you over the long term and what other channels charge for their phone calls and things like that. So anyway, I'll stop there so the video doesn't get too long. Those are the 5 reasons why I'm buying Altria. I snuck those in so I could basically vent about Discord and how I'm just loving the community there. I'm going to be spending more time with them versus the YouTube community because of my members on Discord. We're paying members for my e-guides, and I want to pay attention to them and do them right, as the rights offering may not happen for a few months in Cornerstone here, but I'm still ready for that. And I'm waiting to just deliver the news to them. So, and the only thing that stands in the way of our financial freedom and modern day slavery with the 9 to 5 is the Cornerstone rights offering, I always say. So that's why I have all my money in this, but I'm timing it properly. And then I'm also shielding myself with Altria Mo to give me added diversification, a little bit more income, but more safety from a market decline. So I hope you like the video, guys. Sorry for the long venting rant there. I hope you still enjoy the video. Click like or subscribe if you haven't already. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.